In this video we want to show you Ben & Jerry's Caramel Sutra Core ice cream. This Ben & Jerry's consists of chocolate and caramel ice cream with chocolate chunks and a huge, soft, caramel core. Let us first have a look at the colorful packaging and its contents. Okay, let us open it and have a look at the ice cream. And here we can see the two ice cream flavors, vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Both flavors are divided by a soft caramel core. Inside the chocolate ice cream you can see chocolate chips. Look at this rich and soft caramel. Yummy. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.